Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Darwinex Zero with the Darwinex and what are actually like the differences that you need to know. So the Zero takes the best of like the experience developing trading ecosystem, what they did, and removing the hurdles and avoiding the risk of trading with your own capital. So you don't need any KYC documentation, just complete the registration process. You can link down below in the description and you can introduce the payment method to complete the subscription and then start trading. So that's it. That's about the Darwinex Zero. So it works in a different way comparing to the Darwinex. Also, so there is no monthly subscription linked to credit card PayPal account instead of depositing funds. So there is no management of funds and no depository bank account. You can cancel the subscription whenever you want. So let's say that you're going to decide that you want to, you can use the link down below. You can use the MetaTrader 5 and you're going to get started. And then next month if you want to quit, you can just quit, right? And it's a simplified platform. That's another thing. And you can trade from anywhere in the world. So, and then about some trading conditions that you need to know, like for example, what are some important things. So the CFD account comes with 100K, 1 million in case of futures and instruments account in virtual equity, more than sufficient to demonstrate your ability to generate a stable and positive return. If the performance of your Darwin and not your underlying stimulus account determines that state capitulation. So that's another thing. And in Zero, you can also trade with futures and cash instruments as well as MT5. So these are just like the things that I wanted to share with you. And you can actually see right here what you can trade with the ETFs and stuff like that. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.